Fainting goat. Dude, like if I didn't know I bought a fainting goat and I seen that, bro. Like, dude, I'd be like, oh, what the hell's wrong with this goat? We thought that we take you guys, since we are in a bigger kitchen this time, tonight, and we got an island, a big island, that we're gonna do some cooking. So we're cooking chicken parm sandwiches with some french fries today. So Lexi's gonna showcase her chef skills. You know your mother got told she was a chef, right? Oh. Okay. Somebody commented, I can't think of her name. Oh my God, it was a woman. I can't think of her name. I think her name was Nicole.
Was it on Facebook?
It was on YouTube. So just saying, Nicole thinks that you're a chef, babe.
It's pretty cool. I'll take it. I'll take it.
So, here we go.
I need a... Here we go.
Sexy.
We need to get her a chef hat.
Yes.
Like edit on one of those chef hats thing in the mustache.
I'm gonna make myself an apron. I just haven't decided what I'm gonna put on it. Like what I'm gonna, cause I have the one for crafting. That says Sisters Crafty, Sisters Me. Oh yeah, I have plenty.
Yeah, I want an apron. Love an apron. I'm always worried about burning my clothes when I'm cooking. I don't know what I want on it though. I need to find some.
You want one for cooking, you're saying?
Yeah.
I make a damn good sandwich.
You would say that.
My sandwich is better than yours. I need to find one that's like sarcastic as shit. Cause that's the only way it's gonna be me. Option, like you can add all the clips of the video and then it'll give you the option to voice over it.
Yeah, I just can't do that on YouTube though.
Yeah.
I don't.
Well,
no, I think you could do it. Yeah.
Voiceover for the shorts, yes.
Yeah, I think I could do that.
There's
Yeah.
a voiceover option.
So either way, there's a way around it because you know how to take out audio from a clip, like when you editing on Wondershare. So it would be the same concept. Just take out the audio. Like you can still edit your shorts and stuff if you want it to be a little more spectacular. Edit it on Wondershare instead. Remove all the audio the way that you normally would. Like I said, send me the clip. I'll do my voiceover part, and then you just put that back in there, and then you know.
You down to do that?
I'll both y'all days. I'll be like.
You'd have to do your own.
It's just little clips because it would only be like a minute video, so shouldn't be too bad. I think.
All you need is 3 to 5 seconds of
each thing that you're doing.
Of each thing that you're doing. That's
and then
it.
I'm gonna tell them what they're doing, so y'all can't send me the video until y'all ready for me to give the voiceover. So it's not like, oh, do you like this editing? No, you have to send me it so that they get the natural reaction of what I think about what y'all are doing in these videos.
Huh?
I need my angles.
Am I gonna do what? My sandwich?
Content, baby, content.
What about it?
Make your
Prepare.
sandwich so I
Oh.
can.
Dinner was what I call scrumptious.
I'm releasing the Kraken. You better hurry up.
She's releasing the crack in.
You gonna, I was about to say you gonna get demonetized, but you ain't monetized yet, so it's fine. Say what you want.
I didn't say nothing bad. But anyway, dinner was great. Dinner was great. Was it great?
It was great.
It was great. I'm glad that I came up with the idea to have chicken
I was very
parm.
confused by it at first, and then you didn't understand why I was so confused.
Yeah, I didn't understand. I'm like, why is chicken parm sandwiches and French fries?
Well, you didn't say the sandwich part. You just said chicken parm and
So
fries.
bread equals French fries. That's what that
Look, I
means.
have a gluten sensitivity. Eating bread and fries, I need to know what we're doing. I gotta prepare mentally for it. Okay? So if it was pasta, I need to mentally prepare for that. If it was bread and fries, I need to prepare myself for the fact that I'm gonna just get an overload of gluten today, and I might just get a migraine. You know, you gotta prepare.
Anyway, guys, we are just gonna sit and chill for the rest of the night. Actually, like Lexi and I are gonna be going home here in a little bit, but we're gonna sit and chill, enjoy some good conversation, and we're gonna call it a night. So, be the change that you want to see in the world.
Until next time, later, gators.
Say bye. Peace. Okay, bye.
Bye.